Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install your SIM card and memory card. As you can see right here, there's memory card and SIM card. So your SIM tray is going to be on the side right here. As you can see, there's a little hole. You'll need to use a SIM tray or memory card remover. You'll need to stick it in there and click on it. You can use something thin to get it out. You'll need to press on it, and then you'll remove your SIM card and memory card tray. So I already had SIM card, so it shows which way to stick it in. The SIM card goes this way, and it's really easy to remove it. All you just lay it down, and then the memory goes this way. It just pretty much lays down on the tray, and then you just stick it in same way as you pulled it out. Here it is, it just went in. Now that's how you install it, and that's how you remove it. You just pretty much pull it out, click on it, and then you pull out your both SIM tray and memory card. All you do is just throw it over and everything comes out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, thumbs up, and bye bye.